Okay, back to the body. Okay.
Kahit ba.
Castillo pass to Montenegro. To Castillo. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo. Who's foul ref? There's a number 5.
Huwag mong tamaan.
First personal foul. First team foul. Castillo shooting 2.
Kay Tix yan, kapulong ka.
First try ni Castillo, no good. How about the second try? Siyempre.
Ayoko, Brad. Kaya ka di nakakalaro eh.
Siyempre, pasok yan.
Bukas, may laro tayo bukas. Last game na ng elimination bukas. Sino kalaban? Pinambaran.
My idol. Idol ng Buga. Interceptor ni Castillo to Montenegro. Puerto Rico using the board. Yes, good for 2. Toledo Pond, 47-53, 6-point lead. 6. Pass to Pond, Toledo. Toledo set the play. Toledo dribbling the ball, guarded by Castillo. To Navarro. 10 seconds to shoot.
Hindi na pwede si Melton.
Balagtas, rebound, to Castillo. Castillo, may ganang itong papasahan na rin si Rico. Oras natin exactly 9 minutes, 10 seconds to shoot. Montenegro dribbling the ball. Montenegro from the Rainbow Country. Air ball. Sabrit.
Yes!
Toledo to Toledo. Jude Toledo. Jude Toledo guarding by Navarro. Jude Toledo. Set the play, dribbling a ball pass to Dimano. From my idol. Good for 2.
Yes!
Ventosa. 47-55.
Safety mo naman.
Montenegro dribbling the ball.
Ikaw nga magano.
Set the play, pass to Rico. Rico to Rico. To Balagtas. Balagtas with bump. 10 seconds to shoot. It is foul. Counted. Who's foul with?
Nakakalata talaga ni Philip.
Number 12, Dimano. First personal foul. Second team foul. 49-55, 6-point lead. Bonus free pa rin Balagtas. Siyempre. Wala. Castillo pa rin. Itong Balagtas ulit. It is foul. Counted. Who's foul with? Jersey number 12, Dimano. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Ikaw, si Calvo. Si Limbo.
Balagtas. Bonus free throw. Siyempre.
Si ano pa? Si Berks.
Balagtas. Siyempre wala pa rin. Jude Toledo pass to Navarro. Navarro. Baseball pass kay number 6. Nabuta. Sabrit. 51-55, 4-point lead. 51-55, 4-point lead para sa Tamo.
Sobrang pasa ko.
8 minutes and 6 seconds remaining.
Sobrang pasa ko. Ayoko nang tumitira. Basta gugustuhan ko nang pumasa na pumasa.
Yung bola na walang...
Kaya pala
Yun, thank you, Mr. Rico.
11 assists per game kasi nahabol ko. Mythical 5 ganyan.
Rico to Rico. Mr. Rico dribbling the ball, set the play. Pass to Rico. Rico from the Rainbow Country. No good, driven by Jude Toledo. Toledo Jude dribbling the ball. Toledo Jude guarding by...
Simple lang yung job basagin eh. Ayun yung Jude. Kahit na. Coach Ojo.
Correction. Job pala. Job Toledo.
Tsaka favorite ni Job yun. Hoy, bola! Bola!
Bola! Passer! Okay, good. Rico, Montenegro, break. Pro Castillo. Pro Rico from the Rainbow Country. No good pa rin. Iboni. Lubon, sabit.
Nilaban yung idol ko.
Yung bola po, po pwede, itabit niyo po muna. Baka po yung mga players natin. Yun, salamat po.
Tawag tayo dito. Tayo dito. Dahil doon na.
Jude Navarro, fast to job. Job Toledo. Job Toledo dribbling the ball. Set the play. Pass to Toledo. Good job Toledo. Gandang pasa sa ilalim. Magandang tira. Lead for 2. 51-57. 6-point lead. Pass to Balagtas. Balagtas back. Spin. Balagtas guarded by Toledo. Good. Castillo. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo. Fadeaway shot. Yes. Good for 2.
Yes!
Apat na lang ang kalamangan ng Tramo. Para sa 10, 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. 53-57. Jude Navarro. Set the play. Pass to Jude Toledo. 10 seconds to shoot. Nakita si Juan Toledo from downtown. No good rebound. Right ball. Sabrik.
Uy, yung bola. Hindi, baka gumulong kasi. Ang ingay naman yung pinapanood mo.
Mr. Rico Monching. Pass to brother Rico. Hasi. Rico Monching guarded by Toledo the third. Rico guarded by Jude Navarro. Sa ilalim. Ibalagtas. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. Toledo the third. Mamadali. Toledo the third. Set. Toledo. Pass to Jude. Pass to Juan. Yes. 2 points. Bullet pass kay Castillo. Magandang pasa. Pangit lang ang tira. Record to Castillo. Castillo guarding by 10 seconds to shoot. Purbalagtas. Angat. Block. Toledo Juan. Nagmamadali. Toledo Juan. Pass to Jude Navarro. Navarro break. Guarding by Rico to Toledo. Toledo from downtown. No good rebound. Rico Monching. Rico pass to Balagtas. Balagtas guarding by Jude Navarro. Navarro Jude. To Rico. Nice step move. Pass to Castillo. Good for 2. Score natin 55-59. 4-point lead. Para sa kapunan ng Tramo. Pass ng fourth quarter. 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Toledo. Pass to Jude. Dub. To Toledo the third. 5 seconds to shoot. Toledo the third. Fake. Toledo the third. Pass to Juan. Toledo. No good. Rebound. No good. Foul. 400. 30. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Magkano nga ako susunod? 143. Number.
Rico number 1 dribbling the ball. Set the play. Pass to Rico Monching from the Rainbow Country. No good pa rin. Toledo job. Pass to Toledo. Magandang pasa. Magandang tira. 2 points. 55-61. Bullet pass kay Castillo. Driving by Navarro. Jude. To Rico. Angat. Ang good rebound by Balagtas. Offensive foul, jersey number 14 Balagtas. Tinamaan ang tarik. First personal foul, jersey number 14 Balagtas. Toledo the third. Set the play. Toledo the third. 10 seconds to shoot. Good job. To Jude, intercepted by Rico.
Boy, tumira ka, boy.
Rico, guarded by Toledo the third. Pass to Rico sa ilalim. May kasama pang foul. Loose ball rep.
Boy, tumira ka, boy.
Jersey number 1, Jude Navarro. Third personal foul, penalty, Jude Navarro. Dalawa na lang, alam na. Audience ka na lang din. Rico bonus free throw, syempre. Syempre, wala. Good job talaga. Job Toledo, guarded by Castillo. To Rico Monching. Out of bounds. Pag sinalat.
Makita ka na lang hindi.
57-61, 4-point lead para sa upunan ng mga promo. 3 minutes and 13 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. Rico Monching umangat. Good for two. 59-61, 2-point lead para sa promo. Unti-unting ginahawa lang Quezon. Magandang laban, Toledo the third. Toledo third. 10 seconds to shoot. Good job, Navarro. Angat, dami po pa.
MVP.
Good for two. Nag-selfie pa sa ere. Si Jude Navarro. Pass to Monching. Pass to Rico. Rico, naisap. May kasampang foul. 430. Third, personal foul, penalty. Del Rosario, dalawa na lang. Alam mo na.
Mama ko talaga si Prince. Nakikita kay mama.
Yes!
Rico, first try, no good.
Ilan dalang daw yung timeout? Ilan? Yung timeout.
Rico! Bate. 59-63. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Toledo third, set the play. Dribbling the ball. Toledo the third, pass to John Toledo. 10 seconds to shoot. Toledo the third, crossover moves. Toledo the third, spin, 5 seconds to shoot. Holding foul, number 15 Castillo. First personal foul, second team foul, 14. Relax lang kayo sa dance floor. Medyo late. One. Toledo set the play, 10 seconds to shoot. Toledo fun, stop and pump from downtown, no good, rebound by Jude Navarro. Last 2 minutes. Ang 2 minutes sa inyo ay atid sa inyo ng Modest. Dugo ay laging bago. Intercepted by Toledo. Toledo pass to Navarro to Del Rosario. Nisama pang foul. Rico number 1.
Jersey number 2.
Sabret. 19
First 5 ka.
Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Dalawa na lang timeout nyo ha. Kasi Berto.
First try ni Del Rosario. Wala. How about the second try?
Dalawa na lang daw timeout nyo. Dalawa, nagbawas na eh. 2 minutes. Nagbawas na. Under 2 minutes na tayo.
Pasok yan. 59-64. 5-point lead para sa Tramo. Imagine Rico. May tigalawang timeout pa po kayo. Magkabilang team. Malagtas pa rin.
Down si
Foul.
Boy.
Number 23, Job Toledo.
Fouled out.
Third personal foul, dalawa na lang. Alam na. Balagtas shooting two. First try ni Balagtas, siyempre pasok. How about the second try? Siyempre, pasok pa rin yan. 61-64, tatlo lang ang kalamangan. Jude Navarro, nagmamadali. Jude Navarro!
Offensive.
Foul, jersey number 15.
Ano?
Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. 1 minute and 26 seconds remaining. 61-64. Toledo Panpan. 10 seconds to shoot. Toledo Pan. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to Job. Intercepted by Rico. To number 10. To Castillo. Castillo pasa kay Rico. Top and front. Move on same ball. Out of 7. 1 minute and 1 second remaining. 61-64. 3-point lead para sa upunan ng mga tramo. Castillo number 15, jersey number 11, Rico from downtown. Rico for 3 points. Foul number 10, Kapili. Penalty. Ang 3-point na yun ay hatid sa inyo ng Bipres. Gamot sa bawang nila. Toledo the third shooting turn.
Kinakabatutan.
Napasok yan.
First try ni Toledo.
Grabe.
Pasok.
Parang ako lang. Parang
How about the same try? Siyempre.
nabilib ako kay Kalbo. Di kinabahan nun eh. Bilib ako, di na traveling.
Siyempre, pasok pa rin niya. 64-66. Kapili. Good ni Del Rosario. Nakuha ni Kapili. 38 seconds remaining. Pabalagtas sa ilalim. Guarding by Del Rosario and Toledo. To Kapili. 5 seconds to shoot.
Bonji!
Tumama ang bola sa guhit. 28.1 seconds remaining. 4 seconds differential.
Galit, galit.
64-63. 64-66, 2-point lead. Toledo Bergen from the ball, pass to Job. Job Toledo foul.
Matik yan.
Penalty number 15. Third personal foul, dalawa na lang. Audience, ka na lang din. Job Toledo shooting two.
Boy, dalawa boy!
Technical foul. Warning for technical, jersey number 10, Kapili. Warning for technical, correction.
Chip natin ah. Papasayo mo ako ah. Yan, gago.
Job
Aray
Toledo,
ka!
una, sumablay.
Kapagago kaya?
Rape ka!
Time out yan pag pumasok. Yeah, time out. Latangan siya.
Kasama natin to. Last timeout na to eh.
Isa. May isa pang time out ang ESO. Ilang pa sa plano?
Dalawa.
Dalawa pa. 64-67. 26.0. Exactly.
Penalty na ba both team? Ha? Ang kakapal eh. Di mo ba alam yung ano? Yung gagawin pagka may foul to gives ka. Tapos lamang ka.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Parang di ka nag-vlog.
Masuk, Basir. natin exactly 26 seconds. 2 seconds differential of the shot clock. Castilla set the play. To Rico from the window country. Rico no good with a knee drop. Totally defeated. Foul number 8, Rico. Penalty, first personal foul, 14.3 seconds remaining. Shot clock is up.
Bang! Galing mo talaga, Ting, eh, no? Ating, idol talaga kita, eh.
Yung kalaban natin eh.
Saan? Saan?
Bonjing yung yan.
Tulad ng third ang una pumasok, yung Doggy, Pakita Boy. Time out! Time out! Time out!
Nice one!
64-69, 5-point lead sa Tramo.
Ay, ayan na.
Okay, back to the ball game. 5-point lead, 14.3 seconds remaining. Shot clock is up. Basa na lang ang madidilig.
Ito nandiyan si Tima.
Rico Monting from the Rainbow Country, no good. Okay, isang timeout sa Tramo. Wala nang timeout. Ha? Puti. Okay, back to the ball game.
Kanina to kay Pao, no? Bago aking binili niya ito. May design kasi. Hindi pa tayo play.
8.8 seconds remaining.
Tumabi ka!
Basar na lang ang madidinig. Toledo the third. Toledo Mesa 2 points. Again. Ay, wala na. Time out. Time out.
Naghahabol sila naman eh, score eh. Para sa
Time out. Ramo.
naghahabol ng score para sa pestuhan. Para sa pestuhan niya. Uy! Uy! Ako din, naghahabol eh. Si Mark kasi
Okay, back to the ball game. 64-71, 1.9 seconds remaining.
Hinira agad ng tres eh, no? Kala ko mapapaul ko pa eh. Okay lang naman kahit mo call mo.
7-point lead.
Ha? Si Calvo mo pagsusuntok.
Basag na lang madidinig. Jeff Toledo. Good for two.